Today we're going to show you how to replace a cartridge on a bath mixer. First, remove little indicator plate from underneath the handle. Loosen grub screw. Pull off handle. Loosen cover ring. Use a shifting spanner and loosen brass nut. Remove old cartridge. When putting in your new cartridge, make sure your locator pins are lined up correctly with the ones in the tap, so this fit in securely. Then put in brass nut and tighten. Use your shifting spanner to tighten to secure. Screw in cover ring. Replace tap handle. Tighten grub screw. And insert indicator, making sure the red is facing to the left.